Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to be doing a small yard sale haul and I received my first swap package. I have a couple of bubble mailers that I was looking for people to swap with. I will go ahead and link that video up above. As of right now when I'm filming this video, I have 3 envelopes left if anyone else is interested in swapping. Let's go ahead and check out what I picked up yard sailing this past weekend. I'm just going to slide everything over. Kind of kept it in the group of how I purchased it. I found this box of new note cards, this Tim Holtz tissue paper, this package of stickers, and this Christmas 6x6 paper pad. All 4 of these I was able to pick up for $1.50. At the next yard sale, I found this small hoop ring. Thought if I ever do a hoop swap, I would have a cute mini one to send out. I also found some of this transfer paper that I'm going to be putting in with my junk journal kits. All of these fun colors of felt. This is a big bag of craft. Primarily picked it up for the corrugated paper. These are really fun to make embellishments with. And there's a bunch of other miscellaneous items in there that I will go through and decide if it's something that I will use. We have this craft bag, all of the felt, the embroidery hoop, and the transfer paper. And I was able to pick all of these up for $1. All of these cards that I will be using to mail out my dewdrops were given to me for free. The woman said she had so many cards that she receives in the mail for free and she was passing them along. I was able to scoop up this stack and these were all for free and they will be getting good use. These journal books, let's see, so they have these paper covers that are undecorated. It has a nice spine, have the days of the week, the weather, the memo, and the date, and it's just a lined notebook. I love notebooks like this since I do a lot of journaling. I picked up both of these and they were 25 cents each. Both of these for 50 cents. That was a great deal. And the next lot found these old school books and check out what was on the inside. These are from 1986. I picked them up because of the really fun images that they have, the big words. I thought these would be good to put in junk journals. Picked up this one as well as this one. And then a stack of scrapbooking paper, which was some Mickey Mouse. We have a couple of Tinkerbell, some Minnie Mouse. So we have some Disney. This probably was a Disney pack. Then we have some Halloween, which is always fun. This is super cute. We have some sports related, which is great. I have some of these papers. This is from Walmart. This is colored cardstock. It's a really nice quality too. Then we have this one. This is Mrs. Elizabeth. This was a really old paper company. Some miscellaneous papers, and I will be going through all of these and destashing the papers that I won't be using. We have this paper. It looks primarily, yep, just some solid cardstock. Just put that right into my stash. And then we have some more of the Miss Elizabeths, and this is the bandana designs. I don't know if I will keep this. I don't know if I would use something like that. I have another Miss Elizabeth set. This whole stack of paper, these 2 books, was $1. There were not a whole lot of yard sales today. That was my stash for this weekend. And now for the swap package that I received it from Kathleen. Does not have a YouTube channel, but she did reach out and she was interested in a swap. I sent her the planner bubble mailer that I had, but she ended up sending me this huge box in return. Let's dive right in. We have some glitter washi rolls, really nice wide ones. She sent me these really beautiful cards. I'm thinking she handmade these because she did say she was sending me some handmade ones, and these are awesome. I can send my dewdrops in these. These are so nice. I love them all so much. Thank you so much for those. I will be shipping my dewdrops in these. Some 6x6 papers. These are great. I love double-sided ones. She sent some of these American Crafts precision pens. These are great. I love pens. We have some mini envelopes. I love them. And this looks like some kind of kit. It has some friends. Let's see who this is from. Felicity Jane. In here there are some word stickers. These are also word stickers, and we have some clear acetate frames. These are really nice. I actually have a paper pad that matches that design exactly. This is going to be going in with that paper collection. I love that. Thank you so much for that kit. She sent this 6x6 paper from Brutus Monroe. It's the florals. She said this one is that shiny paper, which I was fine with. I don't normally craft with shiny paper. However, I do use these to back my dewdrops, so this will be perfect for that. These are really nice papers, so I probably will craft some projects with these papers. And Kathleen really spoiled me. She sent me these amazing Avery L large stamp pocket sleeves in the extra large and the large, and I think there's another one in here, and the small. These are going to be getting some great use. It is on my list this summer to reorganize all of my stamps. I have this size, so this is great that I will be able to keep organizing with all of these extra sleeves. Thank you so much for those. They are definitely going to come in handy. We have these little mini pocket sleeves, and these are fun to send out in Happy Mail. Those are great. We have some pockets. And we have some ephemera. I think I have a paper pad that goes with this. Some baby bingo, which is adorable. This will be going in my baby stash for my junk journals. We have some Project Life. Looks like maybe some markers. That's amazing. Thank you so much. We have some envelopes. These are a really nice design. And she sent this Home for Christmas paper pad. This is from Pebbles. I know that I do not have this collection. Could already tell you I am absolutely in love with it. It is so stinking cute. Thank you so much for that. I really feel like you spoiled me with this swap. I'm so appreciative. Here we have, let's see, Not Too Shabby, an Elegant Christmas. Paper is also shiny. It is really pretty. It's double-sided. This is great. Looks like we have some cutouts, and I will definitely be able to cut these out on my brother's Scan and Cut. It loves to print images that are on a white background. That is awesome. And these also will make great envelopes. Here's another page I could easily cut out. Thank you so much for this paper pad. It's very pretty. And we have some of these clear sleeves. And this is exactly what I was looking for to send my dewdrops in. Thank you so much for these. We have a variety of these adorable Doodlebugs treat bags. They are so cute. And I can easily make note cards that fit in these perfectly. And Project Life cards probably fit in here as well. And I can use these in my packages to send off little notes. And they are so stinking cute. Thank you so much for those. I don't have any of those. Thank you so much. We have these brown paper bags. These are from Stampin' Up. And then we have these striped ones. And these are pocket folders for the Traveler's Notebook. Those are very pretty. I have a couple of Traveler's Notebooks, so that is wonderful. I have a package of mini brown bags. These are so cute. And she also sent me this amazing stack of scrapbooking paper. And we have some poo, which is so cute. So cute. And then we have these beautiful double-sided. A couple of each one, which is so nice. I love that orange. So pretty. I love having double-sided paper to make envelopes. I love that. Some beautiful fun colors. These are great for my dewdrop packages. This is so pretty. Love that that's that double-sided. These are so nice. I love that. We have some that she said look like Maggie Holmes. Thank you for those. Looks like we have some Hello, which I could easily cut this out as a card base. We have some Happy Day. I love the stars. We have the cute unicorns. This is Vicky Booten. These are very nice. These are super great quality. And that is the paper. So very nice. That is my amazing swap package from Kathleen. Thank you, Kathleen, so much. I love everything. I'm so grateful that you wanted to swap with me, and I hope you liked everything that I sent your way. Before I go, let me show you the current release of my dewdrops. We have the pale blue. We have the eggplant, we have the green, and we have the yellow. These are perfect for St. Patrick's Day and for Easter and the spring that is coming up. I will link the video of my current swap going on. If you are interested in swapping packages, you can see what I'm sending out. And if you are interested in my dewdrops, you can send me a direct message or you can purchase them in my Etsy shop. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.